So, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening po, miss. We are yung R-Cube Construction Company. So, yung founders po, we have Joseph Rainier Leasing, Roman Christopher Tongol, Aaron Fajardo, and Rainier Justin Bongay. So, for our vision and mission po, ang vision is R-Cube Construction aims to be a well-established construction firm in Pampanga that have a competent, exceptional, responsible, and above-standard workforce that can fulfill each and every client's desire with high quality, cost-efficient, and on-schedule building solutions. So, para sa vision po namin, nagiging makatotohanan kami na mag-aim ng maayos kasi po hindi naman po kami pwedeng mag-aim ng sobrang taas kasi magbumukha po kaming ambisyoso. So, gusto din po namin na maging well-established na firm sa Pampanga. Kaya bukod po doon, gusto po namin na magkaroon ng ideal construction firm para po sa mga client. Then, for our mission po, R-Cube Construction commits to provide superior quality engineering and construction services with efficiency and effectiveness of workmanship for the development of the entire Pampanga. So, for mission, ang goal namin ay magkaroon ng mas advanced na kaalaman sa construction skills na maaari naming i-offer sa mga magiging kliyente namin. Kumbaga, we will find ways to improve our services na maaari naming i-offer sa mga kliyente na we hope na magiging simula ng success namin na pwede namin mahalahad sa Pampanga.
For our first general objective, building high quality infrastructures that meets or exceeds the building standards and clients' expectation. In this objective, the R Cube aims to build the most high quality infrastructure with high quality materials that is more resilient to the natural disasters such as earthquakes, typhoons, and etc. And in this objective also aims to increase the customer satisfaction and clients' expectations. Next objective is to ensure the safety of the clients and employees during construction. Safety protocols must be implemented and done strictly. The A the R cube is always present in the monitoring the health of the workers. It aims to ensure the safetyness of the clients and employees during working in the construction site. Implementing safety equipment for the clients and employees is a must. For specific objectives, hiring structural engineers and architects helps to execute the project more efficiently and stable, such as having a great material and great floor plan layout can execute the project more stable and more efficient. For our next specific objectives, conducting regular inspections by professionals in different stages of construction to ensure the plan is being executed properly. This is very important objective because without inspection of the professional, the plan might not execute well or it may lead into a failure plan. The importance of having inspection from the professional is to aid in guaranteeing the excellence and security of the building process. Next specific objectives, old and newly hired employees must have a safety training or refresher courses before starting the project to have a zero to less hazard in the work area. Some of courses need heavy equipment training, usage of personal protective equipment and tool equipment training. Even sa mga dating employees, kailangan rin sila, required pa rin sila mag safety training or take a such a seminar about safety training para may knowledge sila kapag gumamit na sila mga heavy equipment such as excavators, bulldozer, and etc. For the safety of the clients, briefings must be given to provide a heads up on what is happening inside the construction site about the potential hazards they may encounter. PPE will be also prescribed to them. Having meetings with the clients is most important thing because to give them a warning or a signal on what they may encounter during working at the construction site will give them a warning on them. Wearing PPE such as gloves, helmet, and etc. helps to ensure the safetyness of the clients.
So our next objectives are providing good quality and sustainable materials that meet the building standards and clients' request. So dito po is i-ensure po namin na gagamit po kami ng good quality and sustainable materials para hindi po maging substandard ang gagawin namin building and maging aprobado and maging yung gusto po ng client is ma-execute po namin na maayos. Next po is establishing effective external and internal relations. So, dito naman po is dapat magkaroon po kami ng magandang relationship with other companies or mga clients po namin para po makapagtulungan po kami na maayos kung ano pong gusto nila. Sa internal relations naman po, para ma-unite po lahat ng mga empleyado po namin para magkaroon po ng magandang flow yung project na ginagawa po namin. And next po is expanding the projects not only in the region but the whole island of Luzon. So dito po is, syempre po, di naman po masapa mangarap na hindi lang po sa Pampanga yung gawin po namin project. So hindi lang po, para makilala po kami sa ibang lugar and maging malaki po yung aming kumpanya. So sa pag ano po ng provide po ng good quality materials and sustainable, kaya po namin mag-test ng mga materials before po gamitin sa field. Kasi po, kapag ito po ay hindi ginawa, is kami din po yung masisira. Magiging masisira po yung mga infrastructures po na ginawa namin and mawala po ng tiwala yung company sa amin or yung client. So, example mo ito is hollow block testing po kami. Ida-drop po namin yung mga hollow block. If nabasag ito, hindi na siya credible for use. Kaya babalik po namin ito sa manufacturer and magre-request po kami ng bagong set or hanap po ng ibang supplier na mamimit po yung standards namin. So sa handpicking materials naman po is para ma-provide po yung durability and longevity ng mga materials para ma-sustain po yung unfortunate circumstances. Personally po kami maghanap ng materials na kaya po mag-last long and maging matibay po kapag dumating po yung mga kalamidad. In establishing external relations, we are sure na mag-provide po kayo ng high ethical standards like being transparent sa mga financial transactions during biddings or billings and being a good sport to other competitors. So, dito po is parang ensure po namin na tama po yung mga binibuild po namin na wala pong patong na malaki and sa pagiging sport naman po, di po namin sisirain yung mga ibang competitors para lang kami ay mag-gain. So, dapat nagtutulungan na lang kami kaysa mag-away. So, providing team building, seminars, and communication trainings sa mga employees po para maging unite po yung kanilang mga pag-iisip para wala pong lamats or wala pong alitan sa mga empleyado. Dapat isa lang po yung kanilang goal is matulungan po yung company na pag-grow at maging isa pong competitor sa field po ng construction. Next. So dito po is doing marketing and financial research and assessment to provide information about the capacity and the capability of the company before expanding. So dito po is parang mag-assess po before expanding para malaman po namin if kaya po ba or may kakayahan ng ang company namin na mag-expand. Kasi po, ang issue po dito is financial. Pag yung financial po namin is di ganun kataas or medyo may mababa po yung kita, siyempre mahirapan po kami mag-expand. And if nag-expand naman kami na hindi po namin titingnan yung marketing and financial assessments po ng company is kami po yung mababankrupt or yun nga po is mawala po yung company namin. So, attending construction conventions and applying bids to provide a big help will provide a big help on attracting companies. So, dito po is merong mga available na mga construction conventions na inaataran po ng mga ibang companies, construction companies, mga suppliers po, mga innovative suppliers, tsaka mga iba pong mga nasa field po ng construction na gusto pong makilala or magpakilala po sa field ng construction. Na tapos po pwede po kami mag-apply o mag-propose po ng mga bids sa mga ibang company. Kasi di naman po masama na mag-apply or mag-propose. Gagamit lang po ng free will o lakas na loob para makapag-bid. Tapos kapag nakuha po, edi pwede po kami mag-expand sa ibang lugar.
So, our next objective is adapting technological advancement. In the construction industry, being updated in the leading technological advancement is a must. Dito po, makakatulong po to para maka-achieve yung yung firm namin ng mga efficient results and mas pulidong trabaho sa mga employees. Then, mas makakapag-deliver rin po yung company namin ng mas magandang quality projects and long-term sustainability po sa firm. The next objective is granting benefits and for the employees and clients. Importante po to para ma-develop yung positive and productive work environment para sa mga employees and ma-enhance yung relationship sa mga clients. In the long run po, this will create a culture of care para sa mga next generation ng Arcube Construction. Then, naniniwala po kami na mag-leave to ng positive impact sa mga clients po namin and sa reputation ng firm. Started po sa mga specific objectives ng Arcube Constructions to provide training for employees to ensure they have the right skill to perform the innovation. Example, training is training for new but heavy equipments with new features. Ito po, ginagawa po namin to as an investment para sa future success ng company. Kasi yung mga employees rin po naman yung magpapakita ng kayang gawin ng company namin. Then, ma-equip po nito yung workforce ng construction firm namin ng mas bagong knowledge and skills para mas maging adaptable sila sa change ng industry. Objective rin po ng Arcube Construction to give out bonuses for every accomplished projects to boost their morale and motivation. Also providing warranties for the handover projects within 6 months to a year depending on the project. Yung pagbibigay ng bonuses para ma-boost yung morale ng mga employees namin para mas gustuhin nilang mag-excel dun sa mga ginagawa nilang projects and magli-lead yun sa mas magandang results para sa company and provide naman ng warranties para mapatunayan na yung mga gawa namin kunwari nagka-problema sa gawa namin na hindi namin tatakbuhan yung mga nagpagawa sa amin and i-repair namin yung mga nasirang projects or mga defects without extra payments.
Thank you po for listening.